Hey there, YouTube. We got the cola. I decided to get that one. Now we're gonna get me a shirt with swimming trunks. Hello. And this will happen on 15th at high noon, which is dead smack in the middle of the year. Straight ahead.
I need boys to come in, not girls.
Wrong area.
I'm going around. So.
Well, I'm not. Okay, no mediums allowed.
How much are they?
$9.98. Now we need to find that shirt that you bought for me. That same type of shirt. I need to use
I
it.
don't know.
It was somewhere over there.
They want to sell.
Well, they were on the whack. Keep it moving, please. Turn to your left.
I don't see them.
Turn to your left.
They're right.
I said turn. Not like these materials.
You might just have to get.
Oh, here they are. Hey, hey, hey. Found them. Not these, but I found it. I found that shirt. A large.
There's one right here, babe.
That's good.
Can we get out of here now, please?
Okay, you two, we're heading out. I got to wait on the other thing.
What other thing? You're not getting anything else.
No, when we get enough money.
You're not.
Laptop PC. The gaming type. Yeah, because someone tried to screw us over and took out more money than they should.
Turn that thing off.
I better get going, you two. See you later. Bye.